In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your hosting or email. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual wanting to personalize your email correspondence, uploading your logo can help create a consistent and professional look for your communications. So, let's begin. First, you'll want to log into your hosting or account. Make sure you've got your email and password handy. Once you've logged in successfully, head straight to the Emails section on the Hosting panel dashboard. This is where you manage all your email settings and customizations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly, so everything should be pretty straightforward. Now that you're in the Emails section, look for the domain associated with the email address you want to customize. Click on it, and you should see a set of options appear. You're searching for something labeled Manage Email or Email Accounts. This is typically where you'll be managing individual account settings, like adding a custom logo. After you've opened the settings for your specific email account, you should find an option that reads Settings or Advanced Settings. Once you're there, look for the sub-option for customizing the logo. Hostinger likes to keep things simple, so you should find a field or a button labeled Logo or Add Logo. Click on this to start the upload process. Before you upload, ensure your logo file is ready. Hostinger usually accepts common image formats like PNG or JPEG, so you'll want your file to be either of these. It's a good idea to double-check the dimensions as well. If it's not specified, try to use a square image to prevent distortion. Once your file is ready, go ahead and click on Upload or Select File. Navigate through your system's folders to find the image file of your logo, and select it. After you've uploaded your logo, you'll usually have an option to preview it. Take a quick look to ensure everything appears as it should. If the logo is distorted or isn't appearing correctly, you might need to adjust the size and try again. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to save or apply changes. There's usually a button at the bottom or top right corner. Congratulations, your logo is now set. Adding a logo to your hosting or email, as you can see, is quite simple and can significantly enhance the professionalism of your email communications. Make sure to test it by sending an email to yourself. This way, you can see the final appearance as recipients will. This little detail makes a big difference in establishing brand consistency and recognition. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help out.